Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of your phone's internal storage filling up with WhatsApp photos, videos, and other media, you're in the right place. Today, in 2025, we're diving into a simple tutorial on how to save WhatsApp media directly to your SD card. This trick is a game changer for keeping your device clutter-free and your memories safe. Let's get started. First off, make sure your SD card is properly inserted into your device and formatted correctly. Most modern Android phones in 2025 will recognize it automatically, but double-check in your phone's settings under Storage. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do that now. Step 2. Head to the chat that contains the media you want to save. Long press on the photo, video, or file to select it. You'll see options pop up at the top or bottom of the screen. Step 3. Tap the download or share icon. When the Save dialog appears, look for the option to choose your storage location. Select your SD card from the list. It might be labeled as SD card or external storage. Step 4. Confirm the save by tapping Save or Download. WhatsApp will transfer the file directly to your SD card. For automatic future saves, go to WhatsApp settings by tapping the three dots in the top right corner. Step 5. In Settings, scroll down to Storage and Data. Here, you can adjust media auto-download settings to prioritize your SD card if your device supports it in 2025 updates. If you run into any issues, like the SD card not showing up, check your phone's overall storage settings or restart the app. It's a quick fix, and there you have it. You're all set to free up space and manage your WhatsApp media like a pro. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.